Hi, I'm Mary Beth with Walters Gardens, and I want to tell you about Summerific Week. There's so many things to love about these hibiscus. They're fast growing, they're easy to care for, they're native to North America, pollinators love them, but most of all, it's about the massive dinner plate sized flowers. Older hibiscus varieties tend to be very tall and leggy and flower only on the top of the plant, causing them to be very heavy and flop over. We've improved the habit of summerific hibiscus by shortening and strengthening the stems, eliminating this flopping, and we've also introduced a new characteristic that causes the blooms to extend the entire length of the stem, resulting in more flowers that bloom earlier and longer than the traditional hibiscus. As an added bonus, because they bloom the entire length of the stem, you get flowers covering the plant from top to bottom. Summerific hibiscus are available in a variety of colors, and they bring a burst of late season color to your garden that can last until early fall. And in addition to the many flower colors, they also come in a variety of foliage colors, ranging from bright green to very dark, nearly black leaves. And we've chosen the first full week of August, when they're in their prime, to highlight and feature them in what we're calling Summerific Week, which this year is August 3rd through the 9th. We want to invite you to celebrate Summerific Week with us. We've partnered with a number of garden communicators and influencers, and they will be helping us to share these plants by writing and posting about hibiscus during Summerific Week. But we also want to get you involved. When Summerific Week rolls around, make sure you have the plants prominently featured in your store. Let your customers know that you've got Summerific hibiscus by posting photos and sharing them on your social media, and help us spread the word by tagging us on Facebook at Walters Gardens or using hashtag Summerific Week on Instagram. We'll be sharing and reposting our favorite hashtag Summerific posts throughout the week. If we love your Summerific photo, we may also send you a Proven Winners cooler. Be sure to tag us so we see your photo. So please help us in celebrating these iconic landscape perennials August 3rd through 9th, and remember, use hashtag Summerific Week on Instagram and tag us on Facebook.